Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. This time, well, as you can see, I had to use my GoPro Hero 7. Not that bad, but my other camera just broke down. So, well, it's been a while with it. It's been over 2 years doing over 750 videos. So I think that she gave a lot. So now we're gonna do another, we're gonna do a pouring, acrylic pouring, a dirty pouring, then we're gonna do a dip. I'm gonna use some wax paper, like this one, and I'm gonna cut some 3 parts of wax paper. Then we're gonna do a dip over the dirty pouring. I think it's going to be very interesting. It's a bit like we did last time when I was talking about the swipe, which of course was not a swipe, it was a dip. So we'll see what happened. Let's go and try it. So guys, I think you're gonna agree that the result is very interesting. I think I have to say, I was going to say that it's my preferred one, but of course it was the last one. We say that no, but seriously, I think the technique with the dip mixed with another technique, I think it's great. It gives us two different worlds. I think it's very nice. The only thing though, I have to say and to admit, I did use, like always, a lot of acrylic, too much, as a matter of fact. But I think that the result is nice either way, but a little bit too dark. I would have liked it to be more bright. But because I did put my brighter colors in the bottom of my cup, they didn't have the chance to come out because I did have too much. So I had to stop about 3/4 of the way. So I think it's nice either way though. I think it's very nice. Like I said, I did put a lot of acrylic, but the finish is going to be very different. There's going to be a lot of cells because of the Floetrol. Of course, that's what I wanted. The cells are supposed to be more in the part where we did the pouring. That's nice. And I'm not sure if the dip is going to disappear. Of course, it's going to be less visible because there's so much acrylic is going to go over it just a little bit. Anyway, I think it's nice. I hope you think it's nice also. And like always, please guys, I hope you're going to try it because it's very nice. It's very simple. A little bit messy if you don't watch yourself, but of course, I think it's worth it. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Again, guys.